This kanji have the two of ongyumi reading and one of kunyumi reading. Have you seen here? The ongyumi reading we read like ni or ji, and the kunyumi reading read like futa. And this kanji have the meaning that two. When you say about or we talk about something that had a meaning of two, we will use this kanji. So every time when you learn Japanese, you should know the kunyumi reading and the ongyumi reading and the meaning of each kanji. So when you read the Japanese magazine or shimbun, that you will know how to pronunciation, the word and the meaning of each kanji. And now we have to learn about how to use the compound word. In here we say ni. Ni is mean two, just normal number 1, 2, 3, 2. So if you say two, you can say ni. Juni is mean 12 or queen in playing card. In here the first part, the left part of the word we have the ju is mean 10 and ni is mean 2. So we say ju ni is mean 12, 10 and 2 is mean 12. So in Japanese they say like this. Nikatsu is mean February. Katsu is the kanji of katsu is from the kanji of the month, which means tsuki. So when we use the kanji of two, which means ni, and plus with the meaning of the kanji of the tsuki or katsu, is mean the month, so it means the February or the second month of the year. So this means February. Nikatsu. Nibu is mean second part. Bu is mean part, and ni is mean two. So if you say nibu is mean the second part. Nibang is mean second or number 2 or round up. But in here, nibang is mean the second or number 2. For example, in the competition, you can say nibang. Nibang no hito is mean the second person. Ichibang no hito is mean the first person. So in here, they say nibang is mean the second. You can say nibang no hito is mean the second person. On the number 2 of number 2, you can say nibang. Nikai is mean second floor. Why? In here we have ni is mean 2 and kai is mean floor. So when we put 2 and with the floor, which mean the second floor. Futali is mean 2 people. The first kanji is mean ni is mean 2, and the second kanji is mean li or nin or hito is mean the person or the people. So when you put ni with the kanji of people, it mean that 2 people. So they say futali in Japanese language, they don't say ni, nin or ni hito. They don't say this. They say futali, which means 2 people together. Niju 20 is mean double or two fold or two layers. 10 is mean layers. So when you put two layers together, and the first is mean ni is mean two, right? And the second is mean layer, which mean two layers. So when you put together, it means two layer or double. 二つ is mean two. 二つ actually we will use when we counting for the thing that we don't know how to count. For example, 二つの、テレビ or 二つの、お菓子とか二つの、you can say 二つの教科書とか something like this. So we use to count for the thing. 20日 is mean 20 day of the month or 20. This about special reading, special pronunciation or special sound of reading of the verb of by using and the kanji of ni. And here we have the first sentence, first part of the kanji is mean ni, and in the middle is mean ju, is mean 10, and the last one is mean nichi or he, is mean day. So when we use ni, ju, nichi, so it means 20日 is mean 20. But in here Japanese, they don't say 20日 or 20日. They don't say like this. They say 20日. 20日 is mean 20. 20 day of the month. So the special sound reading you have to remember only. And here also be the special sound reading. 2日. 2日 is mean the second day of the month. And the first is mean the first kanji is mean ni, and the second is mean he or nichi is mean day, which mean 2 day, which mean, so when we put together they say second day. 20歳 is mean 20 years old. In here they it is about the special reading, so you have to remember. We have the kanji of ni and ju and sai. Sai is mean year. You are 8, right? Non-sai is mean how old are you? So they put the kanji of sai. Sai is mean year of the person that get older. So which mean ni ju sai. You can say ni ju sai. But actually when you speak the right grammar, the right way, they say hatachi. They don't say nijusai. Nijusai they can be understand too, but the good way you should say hatachi. If you say hatachi, they will feel that you are good at Japanese. But if you say nijusai, okay, I understand you, but maybe you are not good at Japanese. You are good, but not really good. So the same like this. So thank you very much. If you have any question, please comment below. I hope to see you about learning Japanese kanji in the next video clip. ありがとうございました。